and you can install from the server webserver.com. And after that you need to download the Joomla folder that includes all the files of Joomla installations, and click on the download button. That will take you to the download page of Joomla official website. And now there are two options. One is upgrade package and the second is zip file. You need to click on the full package. Now we'll click on the save button. Now as the file is successfully downloaded, I will click on the folder right here and will just cut the folder to my desktop. Now the web server is successfully running and it is green, which means that it's successfully running. I will click on the web server icon, and after that you can see www directory. You can click on this, it will take you to the directory, but you can create a folder right here. Will give a name like Joomla and click. So now I will go enter into the Joomla and I will copy the URL from right here, and after that the folder I have saved in my desktop, I will open this. After opening, I will click on Control All and I will click on the extract to, and after that I will give the URL right here to paste the URL, and it directly can go to the folder of www directory. So it will take little time. Now the folder files have been successfully imported into the www directory Joomla folder. And now what I need to do is go to the again web server icon and click on the PHP my admin. And now basically we are going to create a table, and we'll click on the new button right here and we'll give a name such as Joomla and click create. And now you can see that the Joomla is being created. Host and click on the Joomla. Basically the folder name is Joomla inside www directory. If you want to give any name to the folder you can, but actually for the easy purpose I'm giving a name Joomla. So now I will type in localhost/Joomla and click enter. Basically it will take me to the Joomla installation, and now I will give a site name like Techi Talk and give it a description, and it needs a email address. I will give it an email address like this one, and username you can specify it later. For this purpose I'm giving a username admin, and the password I'm keeping the same admin, and I will keep the confirm password as admin and click on the next. Now in the second it asks me about host name, which is localhost. Now the username, if you visit localhost my PHP and click on the users, you can see that the username is root and the password is nothing, and the privilege is that he is admin, he has all the privileges. So same we will do is put the username as root, the password is blank, and the database is of course that we just created, which is Joomla. And now we will click on the next button right here, and it gives us the by default many other options. I will click none required for basic installation and click install. Now the Joomla has been installed successfully. Now the very important thing that many people, because they don't remove the installation folder, this will cause you a very great security risk. So now you need to remove the installation folder from here. Once the installation folder is removed, you can visit the site or administrator panel. For example, I will go both of them, and same goes for the site. So basically this is the main website that will look like localhost/Joomla. Now it's a very simple theme. Now you can see this is the backend. Now I'll tap the username and password that I used earlier, which is admin, and admin the password and the username both are same, and it will take me to the administrator panel of Joomla, where it will give me a lot of options to create articles and manage users. So this include the tutorial, hope you like it.